Hey guys, welcome back to Positioned Well. Today we're going to be decorating my home for Christmas, and as I become older, Christmas is the holiday that I enjoy the most because the decorations, the ornaments, the lights, they just all put me in a happy mood. So I cannot wait to decorate today. I am going to be decorating 2 Christmas trees, my fireplace mantle, and my coffee bar for the holiday season. Now, I don't know if you're like me, but if you are, then you have to set the mood before you even start decorating. As a little child, we always had to play Christmas music and drink hot cocoa. Today, I'm gonna turn the Christmas music on, and for me, it's either a candle or a simmer pot. So I'm going to show you how to create a gingerbread simmer pot so that while you're decorating, your house not only looks like Christmas, it smells like Christmas too. Now, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then we're going to go ahead and start decorating, and you all get to come with me for this ride. Let's get started. Out with the old, in with the new. This snow blanket I got from Walmart, and I'm just going to measure my countertop and then take some scissors and cut it appropriately. Then I'll take a string of warm lights and some transparent tape and place it on top of the countertop. Make sure to leave room for your home decor items. I know that most of mine are going to be towards the wall. And then when you finish, you're just going to have something that looks a bit like this. I'm putting my snow blanket back now, and I know that I wanted my seams to meet in the center because a lot of my home decor items are going to be placed right there. And I've been wanting a new Keurig for a while, so I'm bringing in a white one. These cookies I got from Pop Shelf, and placement is everything for me. And then I'm going to let you all enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll check back in a little while. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Here I am putting together a cluster because I thought that would be more appropriate. However, I don't even like clusters on Christmas trees. I don't know why I thought that was going to work. So I decided to bring the glue gun out and instead use one large ball and two small balls or ornaments. And then I could just easily sit these on top of the mantle, on top of the wreath, like so. By the way, everybody, all of these items were purchased from Hobby Lobby, Pop Shelf, Amazon, and Walmart. And now I'm getting ready to take out my King of Christmas tree. And let me tell you, if your box does not come with gloves, baby, you need to get another box. All right, just playing. But I will let you all continue to watch the video. And yes, I always get my hubby to help me because the tree is just that heavy. But I always put the center in just so I can feel like I did something. All right. Just when I thought I did not like clusters, I decided I was going to attempt to do a ornament cluster topper for my Christmas tree, because guess what? I didn't feel like going back to the store and buying a tree topper. That's just the truth. But y'all also are not going to make a lie out of me, okay? Yes, I like clusters now. Okay, I said it. Continue on, and I hope you're enjoying this video.